We'll guide you through how to use Gmail on your computer with the most up-to-date methods and features. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to www.gmail.com. You'll see a login page where you need to enter your email address and password. If you don't have an account, you can click on Create Account to set one up. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your inbox. Here, you can see all your received emails. To compose a new email, look for the Compose button, usually located in the top left corner. Click on it, and a new window will pop up where you can type your message. Enter the recipient's email address in the To field, add a subject line, and then type your message in the main body. You can also attach files by clicking the paperclip icon at the bottom of the window. If you want to format your text, use the toolbar at the bottom to change font size, color, or add bullet points. When you're ready, click Send to send your email. To organize your emails, you can create labels by clicking on More in the sidebar and selecting Create New Label. This helps in categorizing your emails for better management. You can also use the search bar at the top to find specific emails quickly. Just type in keywords or the sender's email address. If you need to adjust settings like your signature or vacation response, click on the gear icon in the top right corner and select See All Settings. Here, you can customize your Gmail experience to suit your needs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.